Platforms offer major opportunities for business model innovation. Thanks to platforms, small businesses, like you, can implement business models in ways that were impossible before. Use Facebook to engage with customers around the world, or Amazon to sell products to markets that you've never visited. Use Google to gain deeper insights into what your customers want, or Internet of Things platforms to update your products after they left your store. But what about you? How can platforms help your business model innovation? And what are the challenges when using platforms in your business model? This is not just for digital companies. As digital becomes a part of all our lives, platforms become core too. In this video, you'll learn how platforms are driving business model innovation, but also what are the challenges and the pitfalls. But first, of course, what are platforms? Platforms are any generic functionality that is there for others to reuse. For instance, the operating system in your phone. It is there so that app developers can use it to run apps. Or Facebook Messenger. It's there so companies like yours can use them for reaching their customers. Uber is another example. It's there so taxi drivers can be found by their customers. Platforms offer something that's valuable to a lot of companies at the same time. So an advantage of using platforms is that you can focus on what makes your company unique. And you don't have to worry about commodities. So how do platforms help to do business model innovation? Let's look at an example. A small company from Lithuania that produces toys. They only use natural materials and every toy is handmade. They use Facebook for reaching their customers. So, the platform of Facebook affects the how in their business model, the way they reach their target group. It adds a bit of efficiency to the business operations, but Facebook also enabled a radical change in their business logic. Through the Messenger platform, the company now engages directly with their customers. So customers can tell the company what kind of toy they want exactly. So the what of the business model is affected too. The company can now make customized toys that fit exactly with what each customer wants. So the platform allows the company to focus on what makes them unique, the skillful art of handmade custom toys. Now, this is just one example. Another company might use Google Docs platform to collaborate with partners in completely new ways. The key message here is to check out your business model and see how an external platform might take over some tasks, or even enable completely new ways of creating and capturing value. As any business model choice, going for a platform may come at a cost. Often, different players offer similar platforms, and it's up to you to choose the right one. Sometimes a platform can even constrain a business model in the long run. Let's look at app stores on smartphones. On the one hand, they offer great platforms for software developers. They offer a common distribution channel such that even the smallest app developer can reach millions of people around the world. They also have a way to send a bill to users without having to use credit card systems. The app developer doesn't have to worry about how customers may find them or how to bill them. Great! But there are also drawbacks. The App Store takes 30% of the revenues of app developers. Also, the app developer has to follow the rules from the App Store, which is sometimes problematic. Apple even blocked the app from Skype for quite some time on their App Store. And of course, it's great that almost all customers are on the same App Store. But it's also a risk. How can you make sure that people find your app in millions of others? The App Store platforms have boosted competition greatly between apps. So think, before choosing a platform, which platform are you going to use? Can it offer you a critical mass of customers? Does it do a job for you so you can focus on what makes your business unique? And can you live with the downsides? Additional costs, greater competition, dependence on the rules of yet another stakeholder? Important questions to seize the power of platforms for implementing your business model. Good luck!